Byron, thanks for coming in. This is writer, director, producer George Lucas, very brilliant, and so on and so forth. The movie we are doing today is called Star Wars. And do you have any questions about the script or anything?
Yeah, I mean, who wins?
It's more of a struggle between opposing forces, a light and a dark side. You see there's this balancing force throughout the galaxy. It's a struggle between these two forces.
Look, there's space, there's robots, there's aliens, they're killing each other, there's stars, there's wars, you get it? I mean, that's pretty much the simplified version.
Stars.
I got Jaws 2 in 15 minutes, okay? So let's, trust me on this one, this guy comes very highly recommended.
So in this scene, the Millennium Falcon is escaping from the Death Star. You got it? Okay. The Falcon is not actually a bird, it's a spaceship.
Alright, like a rocket ship, yeah.
It's a spaceship, not a bird.
Okay, Cookie Monster.
Hi, my name is Groomba.
We've actually already named all the characters. So this is R2-D2, he's an astromech droid. He mostly communicates in whistles and beeps.
Okay. Beep. How's that?
Oh, we're singing our song. Welcome to the Munchkin Guild. Here we go, we're singing our song.
Hey, I'm an alien!
No. No.
Bring some here, baby. Yo.
Oh! No! Whoa! Whoa, hello. Huh?
You know, technically, George, there is no sound in space, so I would say that was probably the most realistic, accurate sound that you could do.
That's exactly what, where my mind was at.
No.
You know what? This is taking a toll on my vocal cords. Mind if I do a vocal exercise? Okay, I'm ready for whatever bullshit's coming next. What do we got?
That was perfect.
Huh?
We'll call you.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Byron.
I don't have a phone.
Next is Ben Burr.
This guy sucks.
Hi, my name is Groomba.
Actually, all the characters already have names, and we have recorded their dialogue.
Okay.
That was really funny.